Model, 68 Renault Trafic Vivaro LL29 Business plus 1.6 DCI Euro 6 engine knocking no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 65,259. MOT, the 20th of February 2026. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, air-con, 2 keys, parking sensors, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez.